Can India become global hub of manufacturing? We all know how China become economic powerhouse on the basis of manufacturing industry, and now India also eyeing the same. Amid global fear of inflation, India is transforming itself and slowly and steadily into global manufacturing hub. From manufacturing semiconductor chip to iPhone, let's know how India is emerging. China, whose dominance in the manufacturing industry has been ruling lockdown and political tension with the USA. It also global brand to consider assembly in India to reduce their reliance on China at a time of increasing geopolitical risk, and India taking this opportunity to emerge as manufacturing hub. In February this year, Vedanta, one of the leading manufacturing and multinational group, and Foxconn, world largest electronic manufacturing company, formed a joint venture company with the aim of manufacturing semiconductor in India. Fast forward to this week, Vedanta and Taiwan Fox signed a pact to set up a manufacturing of semiconductor and display fabrication unit in Gujarat with the investment of $20 million. In Indian rupees, it is approx 1.5 lakhs crore. Vedanta will hold 60% of the equity in the venture, with Foxconn owning the remaining 40%. Foxconn is the technical partner in the venture. Vedanta is financing the project as it looks to diversify into chip manufacturing. The investment is expected to create 1 lakh job opportunities in India. So on Apple in India. Apple has been working with the supplier to ramp up manufacturing in India, and the first iPhone 14 from the country are likely to be finished in late October or November following the initial September release. Apple Taiwan based supplier Foxconn will be assemble the iPhone 14 at its plant outside the southern Indian city of Chennai. For iPhone manufacturing, in a boost to electronic manufacturing in India, Vedanta will set up a hub to manufacture Apple iPhone and other television equipments in Maharashtra. The Salt to Software Tata Group also talking with Taiwanese supplier Wistron to build a joint venture and manufacturing iPhone in India. Google also want to shift India. After Apple rival tech giant, Google is planning to shift the assembly of the one of the flagship phone brand Google Pixel to India. The report states that Google also bids for manufacturing to assemble between 5 lakhs to 1 billion unit of the Pixel smartphone that account for 10 to 20% of Pixel phone annual production. What are your thoughts on this? Please comment it down, and please like this video, share this video and subscribe this channel.